everybody, this is me Bella again. Welcome back to my channel. So many of you sent me messages asking me whether I would be doing another advent calendar opening this Christmas season, and I wanted to do it so much. First of all, people who are new to my channel and who don't know about this thing, I opened up an advent calendar last Christmas consisting of 12 days of gifts items in a box. So you have to open one door each day, and that represents days before the final D-Day, that is Christmas. You can do this for your birthdays, you can do this for anything special, for anniversaries, etc. So they are advent calendars, and I opened up Tanya Burr's advent calendar last season. I wanted to do the same. I checked online and there was nothing in India, so I tried international shipping, and some of them were getting delivered very late, some of them had very high shipping charges. So I thought, why not make my own personal advent calendar. So I'm not giving you a DIY right now, but I'll be opening up the box that I made for my sister, and I'm gifting this to her, and she'll be opening like each day. She doesn't watch my videos, so she'll not know what are the contents inside. So let's get started. So this is the advent calendar that I made out of a shoe box. It is so pretty and I'm absolutely loving it. I love how it turned out to be. I was so skeptical before, but when I finished it, I was like in love with it. I wish someone would have gifted this to me. I made this on my own from a shoebox. So look at it, this is a shoebox. I just wrapped it up with a very beautiful Christmassy wrapping paper, and then I made doors, each door as a surprise gift. The last one even has a bow which you can pull up and then take out the product. And I had put in 12 different products in it, beauty as well as accessories. I loved it. I hope you like it. Look how pretty it is. All glittery with glittery sellotape, glittery doors, glittery numbers. I know the content of this advent calendar because I'm gifting it to my sister, but she has no clue what I have put inside. So yeah, I'll open it up and I'll show it to you. It will be a surprise for you people as well. So I hope you like it. Let's open the first door. So this is how you'll open up, and let's see what is inside. So here we go. This is the first item that I am taking out of this box. So the first thing is Inglot nail polish. I love Inglot. I know it's a very expensive brand, but I really wanted Inglot. You know, if I gift it to my sister, I can use it too. So it serves two purposes. So I got this one, and it's her favorite color as well, pink, fuchsia pink. This is in number 362. This was originally for 800 rupees, but I got it for, I think, 350 rupees. But you know, Inglot nail polishes, they last so much. Even if you use water, you wash your clothes, you do all the household chores, and still it will be on your nails. It doesn't chip off, and I love Inglot. So yeah, I thought, why not? So this is the color. I love the color. It lasts so much, you'll not regret it, and she will love it. Let's open up the second door. Can you find out where the second door is? Here. The second door has a Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick. This is in the shade 03 Tan Fan, and I think I got a very similar color which she really liked, and I thought, why not buy it for her. It has a really nice color to it. I love it. It is like a liquid lipstick that dries off completely matte, and I think she'll like it a lot as well. Let's head on to door number 3. It's here. So door number 3 has this. So this is a Lakme 95 complexion care cream in the shade beige, and I use the same cream, and I take it with me whenever I travel, whenever I go to my friends for night out, and she always complains that she doesn't have an extra one. So I thought, what better gift than this. So I got this for her. I removed the packaging because it did not fit in my advent box. So this is what I got for her. This is a CC cream, and I absolutely love it. We wear the same shade and she loves it too. So I got this one. You know, it's a very handy thing for her as well. Let's head on to door number 4. And where is door number 4? Here. It's a very tiny little door. So in door number 4, we have got a Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Minty Lemon Lip Balm. So very good for summers, but I'm gifting her in the winter. Doesn't matter, she'll use it in the summers. This was for 110 rupees. I got it for 100 bucks. So yeah. So let's open door number 5. Door number 5 is there. This is what I got. Another nail polish from Inglot, because I love the color and it was in under heavy discount. I think it was for again 350 rupees. 800 rupees product for 350 is quite a big deal. This is in the shade 860. So this nail polish is a little bit orangish, but this one was, the earlier one was like really fuchsia pink. So look at the difference in the color. So this is how it looks like. Very bright, very crispy. Yeah, so I got this one. I'm going to pull out door number 6 in front of the camera. So let me pull out. This is an accessory. Yes, I remember. In door number 6, we have got a nice long double chained beady necklace. This is how it looks like. I found it really cute. I like the color. It's like sea green, sea blue shade of color, and silver baubles, and again the same kind of tealish bauble. Yeah, it has 2 layers, so a longer one and a shorter one. I love it. So let's go to day number 7, and the day number 7 is here. Let's open it up. So this is what I got for her in day number 7. This is a L'Oreal Glam Shine lip balm crayon. This is in the shade 910, and the name of the color is Passion Fruit Perfect. It's a very nice hydrating lip balm. It is in the form of a crayon, and then you can just roll this up, retractable thing. Very moisturizing lip balm, perfect for winter. A little bit of tint if you like the color, so I love it. Day number 8, it has quite a big door, but the product is not very costly. A soap. I got her Fiamma Gel Bar Peach and Avocado, and I love this soap. I love the smell of this soap. It's better than shower gels. Fiamma Duels has the best shower gels as well, but I love this better than shower gel. It has such a nice smell, and I just thought of popping this inside. This was only for 39 rupees, but it makes up such a good gift because the smell, oh my god. I wish you could smell this. If you are looking for a new soap, get hold of this. It is almost like perfumey. We're done with day 8, so let's go on to 9. 9 is here. Got another nail polish here. This is again a very inexpensive part of the gifts. This is the Juice nail polish. It is completely matte, and she has never tried matte nail paints, and I wanted her to try this one, and it was only for 50 bucks, so I put this one in there. Door number 10 is quite a big one. Here, door number 10 opens up into a very cute door. Oh, I remember this. I think I popped in 2 of these. Yeah, I got these pocket perfumes for her. These are from Engage, and this one is Cool Aqua. This one is Floral Fresh. I think this will go quite well in the winters, and this will go quite well in the summers. So I got both of them because they were quite cheap, and they are so handy. You can just put it inside your sling bag or your handbag, inside your jeans pocket as well. It will fit inside on the back pocket. So these are pretty small pocket size perfumes. So these were for 60 rupees each, so I spent 120 rupees for both of them. Inexpensive, but it can turn out to be a really nice gift in an advent calendar. 11. Yeah, we have got, ta-da! We have got a L'Oreal lipstick. So in the last second day, I thought why not make it a little bit special, and I got this L'Oreal Paris lipstick, and this is in the shade Runaway Orange. This is how it looks like. I love the color. It's an orange color, and it's a favorite color again, as you have already known by the sheer amount of orange that I've bought. Yeah, so let me just swipe it. Yeah, so this is the color, and it gets reflected so nice. This is not matte, both of them. This one was matte, this is like totally moisturizing, hydrating lipstick, so perfect for winter. In winters, matte lipsticks become too matte and dry and flaky, so I got a moisturizing one for her this time, and I love the color as well. This feels so light now. I can hold it from the ribbon here, and it has only one door that is left to open. So we have got the grand finale here. Let me open up the last but not the least, door number 12. You can already see what I have put inside. So door number 12 has this Forest Essential Body Mist in the fragrance Rose Cardamom. This was for 1125 rupees. Forest Essential is a brand that I really like, and therefore I thought of buying a body mist from there. It has a very nice, clear, transparent liquid and very lovely smelling rose cardamom fragrance. Generally I don't like rose, but I love this one particularly. The fragrance is like really strong, and it almost feels like Dabur rose water. The smell that you get, like, just heighten it 10 times, and that's what you get. Many of you might not like the strong smell of it, but I like it, and my sister likes it as well. Not every day, but only during winters. In the summers it will be too hot to use this particular body mist, but in the winters it lasts so much, like good 4-5 hours. It will be on you. I mean, the fragrance will be on you, and therefore I thought of getting this for her. This was the most expensive one that I got, and therefore this made up to the 12th door, which is the final door. So yeah, so we are finally done with the advent calendar. I know this is not an international brand. It's not Tanya Burr or Zoella's advent calendar, but it's an advent calendar that I made with a lot of love and with a lot of hard work. If you have a special friend in mind whose birthday is coming up, or who you want to gift something in the New Year's, then you can do a very similar thing. You don't have to make it very expensive. You can even use chocolates inside, so instead of beauty gifts and all, you can even put in chocolates. Yeah, so you can do that yourself. And once again, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.